The first wave of feminism emerged in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, laying the foundation for women's rights movements across the world. This wave focused on securing legal rights and ensuring women's participation in political life. Its central goal was women's suffrage, the right to vote and be represented in governance. It also aimed to secure property rights, improve access to education, and advocate for reproductive rights. Prominent figures like Elizabeth Cady Stanton, Susan B. Anthony, and Emmeline Pankhurst played a crucial role in advancing this movement. A major milestone was the passing of the 19th Amendment to the United States Constitution in 1920, granting women the right to vote in the United States. However, the movement has been criticized for focusing largely on the concerns of white, middle class women, excluding others. Despite its limitation, the first wave marked the beginning of a long and ongoing struggle for gender equality.